recording's begun.
Hello, all. This is Team Eternal for Net Software Development 365. My name's Kirk Mortensen. I will be speaking through this whole thing with my lousy voice tonight. We have Joseph Wirtz, Marshall, and Steve here. You guys want to introduce yourselves?
I feel like you just did the introductions.
Hey guys. Hey guys, I'm Joe.
Howdy all, this is Marshall.
And this
And
is
I'm ju-
Steve.
and I'm just kidding because I'm not going to talk through this whole thing with my voice the way it is.
So basically what we were thinking of doing is I was going to go through everything, and if they had input to say that they would jump it in, so there wasn't any confusion. So let me quit out of this. This is our main menu here. Just realized I was in the wrong layout. And we have a series of different locations which we'll go through one by one. First we have the add new quote button, which takes us to the lovely layout we started on, which we shouldn't have started on. And from here we can enter information. If I try not to enter, if I don't enter any information there, it'll tell me, no, I have to stay there. So let's put something there. And we can start putting in values. If we put in something that's too low, such as 1, it'll default to the lowest value. If I put something that's too high, such as a lot of 9s, it'll default to the highest value. Same is true here with that and with this one. So it defaults to low or high depending on where we are. In terms of the area cost, that's obviously calculated by the amount plus whatever's extra over the 1,000. The number of drawers is added on the same way. So there's 2 drawers at 50 is 100. Now the material cost is based on an enum, and we can select from a list here that is based in the desk quotes file. And so as I press tab and come out of that, the material over here changes. And the shipping costs here, we have the standard shipping cost, which is 0, or we have 5 days or whatever, and those are based on that text file. Anyone have anything else they want to say?
Looks good.
Cool.
Looks good to me.
Alright, so we'll submit this quote, and it'll bring us to this layout where we can see this is our order. We put in a quote ID, so that in future, let's say from the view all quotes page, someone wanted to go to a specific quote, they could have an ID for that quote. Just seemed more repeatable since every other aspect of the table was changeable and could be exactly the same as another quote. So we added a unique ID to that. Anyone else have anything else?
No, just that essentially we're building a database here of quotes, and every database does need a primary key, just so that the computer can tell the difference between quotes, and so that quote ID is our primary key.
Right. And obviously normally this probably wouldn't be displayed to the customer, but because we're creating a program to be graded, we thought it'd be best to just include it as part of the layout. So going to our other layouts, we have our view quotes, which shows all of our quotes here. There's the one we just made there at the bottom, and here are some other ones that we have created. None of these fields are editable, which is cool. And each one of these has different materials, which we'll look at in a moment, although we don't have that displayed on this layout. So from the search quotes page, oh wait, let me go back. Did anyone else have anything else to say on this one?
No, I think we're good.
Alright, cool, sorry, I jumped ahead.
No
And
problem.
on the search quotes page, we have a drop down based on our enum, and we can select any one of these. So let's say Rosewood. If I do a search, Tony Stark has a Rosewood table. Or if I go to Pine, we have John Smith, and so forth. And so all of these different things. And we have 2 people with the veneer table, and so forth. Anyone else have anything?
No.
I think it looks good.
And that's basically it. That's our whole project. So yeah, thanks for watching. Anyone else have anything else?
I think that's all.
All right, well, thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you later.